Welcome back to another awful episode of Fuck This Car and I Hate My Career. This is my manager's kid's Pro-Charged F-150. This one we're talking about. So we're just doing some cylinder inspection. We found the problem. So this is cylinder 7, and if you look, there's a little bit of cross hatching on the cylinder, a little bit of like vertical lines going up and down, right? Just some scoring. Not too bad. Now, if we shove this thing in cylinder number 8 and take a look, you can see how deep the scoring is on these cylinder walls. It's absolutely back and forth on the whole thing. So, lesson learned. If you're gonna Pro-Charge your F-150, just be ready to build a motor. Oh, we're fucked.